just make a little square and get rid of the shingles. Shingles go up. Hey Bob, get a picture of that.
Careful, that'd be a party, yeah.
Alright, that's good. You got a little shortcut. Yeah, you got a pickaxe or just this? Here you go. If you want to use a pickaxe to give you a little starting point, you could do that, or you can just go right down with the fun side. Hurt yourself, man. There you go. Take a tool, man. Take a tool. You gotta do it with your hands. There you go. Now we're going to be working this way. There you go. There you go. If you want, you can do a triangle, you can do a square, you can do whatever. You can do a fucking octagon if you think you can do it. Yeah, give me one right there. Just opposite of his side. You alright, Addison? You getting smoked out already? Don't lose the tools, dog. Hey, what was your name again, kid? Luke. Luke? Which way you going with that hole? The best thing to do is make two parallel, and then you can turn your body this way. You know what I'm saying?
Stop it.
What are you doing, bro?
Stop it.
You alright? Here, come this way, because look how much, you're not leaving yourself room to go anywhere that way, it's gonna fall off the roof. There you go, take that. There you go, that's good. Now work your way around here. That's good. You're a monster, huh, Luke?
That isn't.
Good to do, huh? You break shit?
Hell yeah.
Right. Where are you going? Where's wrong? You smoke cigarettes or something? There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Clean this side up and... Alright, good hole, Addison, good hole. Oh, don't step on it. Oh, now, there you go. There you go. Alright. Hold on. Addison's got you inside. Don't stand on it. Those big old monster paws, you don't want to fall in.
Can I take my gloves off?
Still keep them on. Why, your hands, you want to work without them? Yeah. No, you always work with all PPE on. After you're done cutting your hole, take it. Just old A-frame stuff? Yeah. See? Now that. Alright, so if the fire was below us, is the smoke gonna get out of that hole?
Yeah.
Are you sure? What's that? Alright. What do you think, Addison?
What?
Is smoke gonna come out of this hole?
Barely.
Why is that?
Not big enough.
I'm not worried about the size.
Oh, well, yeah.
What if it's in the room?
Oh, no, you gotta
Alright,
get down
what
there.
do we still got in the way?
Ceiling.
Ceiling.
Ceiling, right? Drywall ceiling.
Yeah.
That's why we're gonna need a 12-foot pipe to knock that thing out.
We'll get one.
Better get some cool ones, Bob. Alright, what's next? You got energy to cut another one?
Penalty's not my favorite, but
It is when you got chainsaws.
yeah.
That's way better. What's your favorite?
I don't know.
Putting out fire.
Interior attacks.
Yeah,
Fun.
no, that's everybody's favorite.
It's easy.
You just don't get to do it very often.
Yeah.
Shit don't start on fire.
Garrett,
Come on, Luke, we gotta get this hole cut. There you go. That'll work. There you go. Hand it up. Oh yeah, that's gonna bust easy. Go ahead. There you go.
Wanna
Now,
get
we're
my
gonna
side?
6 foot ceiling out already too.
yeah, but now you got a hole.
do you want to get my side too?
You will. You'll get yours. Take a little breather there, son.
I just wasn't. I just wasn't sure.
Maybe you need to hit a treadmill or something. What's up, dude? You an explorer?
These are EMT tests. So they make it.
Oh, okay. Adam's got it. Good to go. That's good hope. Yeah.
Alright, see ya.
Hey, take care, brother. You got a deep ass voice.
You don't want a drink?